Good. Hello, guys. Let's check this out. This is the admin key that's affecting the users to the super. Yeah, the procedure public is fetching it. So when I log in, when I log in, was this? When I log in, you see the user at the admin page. Okay. So let's try it and log in and let's see. Let's register. When I register, I'm going to use this email generator. Okay. I'll generate an email. Yeah. So I'll copy that. Then, okay, let's put it there. Add password. Good. So I take continue. And you can see verify your email. So let's go to the email generator. What do we do here? For good. Let's refresh it. So you can see we have our code here. So good. But you can see I have been logged in. So what next? Let's look at the admin page. The admin page loads. We see we have what the name what low Lego at the same high low Lego, and you can see there what the logout over here. So that is all about this lesson. I'm using Clerk and Supabase. Then this email generator. Yeah, I think that's all. So without wasting much time, let's begin. Thank you very much. Let's begin by, now this is the plan we are going to use, okay? This is the plan that we're going to use. So the first is what we create the Next.js app. And how to do that? We first need to go to Drive D. I like working in Drive D. So I create a folder here and call it project. So inside project, what do we do? Okay, now inside project, we need to go to this CMD, the command line. Okay. Before that, let me copy there. I need to copy this, the create app. Then command line, what do we do here? Let's go to Drive D. Then inside Drive D, let's locate project, CD project. Then inside project, let's paste create app there. Then enter. Great. Time nicely. And events, not on augment. Okay. Let's check our plan. This is what's stop should see in it. Okay. Let's. Yeah. So what do we do? Let's check it. Let me raise it a little. We can see what's going on. Yeah. Select neutral. Good. So it's time. What next? Let's go back. Okay, let's install the button. Okay. Yeah, done. Next one. Store card. Card, we don't need it now. Let's leave that and go straight to skeleton. Here. Done. Let's go to so now. Done. So let's go. We add icons. Done. Last is one. Dates. Done. Last is the where? Is the click, okay. So let's do that. Click. Done. Let's check the next one is SVIX. Let's copy that one too. E2. Good. Then next, Supabase. Yeah, that's right. You know, what happened? Error. Oh, sorry. I think the copying was wrong. Yeah. I'm sorry about that, guys. Yeah. Good. Now everything is what's installed. So we can go to or is it npm run there. Yeah. That's starting. So let's check it out. Good. Now let's go to localhost. Okay. So our localhost is working. And this one. Okay, so our app is ready. First thing we need is what? Is the navbar. Okay. So let's install that. Navbar. Inside components. Let's create let's create what? Let's create a folder and call it common. Okay. Now inside common we can have the navbar dot css. Good. All I'm gonna do is this. Good. Navbar, what do we do? Tell this guy Copilot to give an navbar, okay? That give us a navbar. Give us navbar. Navbar what? With nav links, nav items. We want what? We want dashboard and admin and home. So three. So let's say home dashboard and what? Admin. At the middle. At the middles and far right. Far right give me or login and what? Register. Register. Yeah. The login and register should have icons. So I say only add icons. Yeah. Add icons. To log in and register. So that is that. What do we do? And so it's ready. Let's add it. So you can see, guys, it's ready. Our navbar is ready. Now let's connect to the navbar. The navbar will be in the app inside layout. Inside layout, let's look for navbar over here. Navbar. Let me import it. Okay. So import. But yeah, that's it. Good. Importing is done. What next? Oh. So that is that. You can save our work. Then you should see it on the screen. You can see that with that number. Oh, I didn't bring a logo. Oh, come on. Go. Add logo. Why you? Add logo on far left. Add logo on the far left. And what again? Yeah, that's it. Let's give mass width and mass width of what 1240 pixels. Okay, now let's do that. Good. Ready? So let's go add it. 3. Yep. So that is that. I see my work and let's check it out. Good. It's ready. You can see, guys, my logo, admin. So now what we need to do is create these pages, admin and what? Dashboard. So let's do that. Admin and dashboard. Let's go to app. Inside app, we need a folder called admin. Inside that folder, we need a page.tsx. So page.css, what do we do? Yeah, give me welcome screen in the middle. Welcome text in the middle of the screen. So let's say welcome text in the middle of the screen. Try to that. So it's ready. Has added. So that is that. When we save it, that's what I mean. Let's do same for dashboard. Okay. So we go back to app again, and we create a folder, and we call it what? Dashboard. Dashboard. Inside dashboard, we have what? Page. For page.tss. Good. So what do we do? Yeah, inside the page.tss, we have the sentence welcome screen of the screen. So welcome. Let's see if I can copy this. Oh, that's possible. To rest, right? It's welcome test in the middle. So that is that. Query at good is done. The dashboard, yeah, cool. Let's save it. Oh no, sorry, keep it first. Then it's save. Now let's check our screen if we got it. Okay. Dashboard. Admin. Can see guys working. So we're good to go. The login and register, we'll do that later. Okay. Let's go straight to Clerk. Now where's Clerk? This is Clerk. Now what do you do with Clerk? Clerk, you need to register Clerk with your with your GitHub account, okay? Then come to overview. We've done the installation already. What needs to do next is to copy the .env file. Now the .env file, I have a simpler one that I did here. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. So I'll copy that. Let's create .env file. Yeah. So create a file. They say .env.lookup. Here, then I pasted that. You can see that's way here. Everything we need. So next, this is the first one. So let's go and check it. Yeah. So we copy it. Then we can paste it. Good. So now we can just take this one off. Good. So now next is that we need the webhook signing secret. Webhook signing secret. But before we do the webhook signing secret, let's do the next one, which is what? The middleware.ts. So let's add that one to middleware. Good. Good. Now we paste it there. Done. Save it. Then what next? We go back again and see. Okay, let's wrap the, what's the name? Clerk provider. Okay. So I can just copy this. So we go to layout and do the wrapping. So inside app, go to layout, then import it. The Clerk provider. So you just paste it there. And we really need a Clerk provider. I take these ones off. There, something like this. Good. So down here, and it copies this. Good. So it's a Clerk provider. Good, got that. Good. And down here, do the same. Yeah. Save our work. Good. What next? So that is that. Clerk is installed. So let's see. Yeah. So Clerk is installed. What do we do now? Let's we need to configure it here. Let's configure the webhooks for the Clerk. So let's go to webhooks. Okay. Add endpoint. So we need what? A URL to add the endpoint. And the person who can give us the URL is ngrok. The person who can give us the URL is ngrok. So I have a video on that. So check it and watch how to set up the ngrok. When you finish, you only come to the CMD and type what? ngrok http 3000. So the ngrok has given us a link. We copy it. Then we paste it here. Then slash, oh sorry, not here. Slash what? Slash API slash web hooks. So our link is what is ready. So we can now check users. User. So check user, then quit. It's not putting something on somewhere. URL. What is wrong? Invalid URL. Good. There's a space before the H. You took it off. So that is that. Let's create now. Good, it's created. So it's giving us the sign-in secret. So we copy that and take it to the .env file. So paste it there. Good. So we're good to go. So what do we do? Now we need to create the API for the webhooks. So we go back to app again, create a folder inside the app and call it API. Then inside the API, create another folder and call it webhooks. So inside the webhooks, create a file and call it what? Route.ts. Good. So over here, I need to paste my webhook code over here. So this is the webhook code, and let's take a look at it. Yeah, there's it. Yeah. Now this code, I'm going to add it to the files at the GitHub, okay, for you to have it. So don't worry. But what I want us to do is it has the what's the name? The Supabase side of the code. So we need to comment it. Then we console log the data for now so that we can move step by step. If you combine stuff together, you end up messing up. So I like to go step by step. So we ask Copilot to comment what's the name? Comment the Supabase aspect of the code and console log data. Okay. So that is that. Yeah, Copilot has finished. Let me apply it. Good. So that is that. So we can say that Copilot has done the work. So what do? Let's test it out. Okay, to test it out, let's go to so we are back in the Clerk. Let me see something. Okay. So everything is ready for what? For testing. So try it out. Let's create a user. Call it what? kk@gmail.com. Then what? Just put some password there. Ignore and create. Good. User is created. So now let's check So let's check our code. You can see, guys, we got data. You can see here we have kk@gmail.com. So that's we got data. So our code is working. So what do? Now we need to add the Supabase, meaning the Next.js part is working. So Clerk and Next.js is working. So now we need to move to Supabase so that the data will go to the Supabase. Okay. So how do we do that? How do we do that? How do we do that? What is this? Okay, let's put it down. Then we need to go log in into Supabase. Okay. So over here, where is Supabase? Is Supabase. Let's create a new project and call it what? Let's call it admin. Generate a password, copy, and keep it somewhere safe. So I'll copy it and put it here. Okay. That is that. What next? Oh, sorry, I know put a password here. So copy it, then save. Let me put it here. Put it there, good. That's what next. Requests in your project. Good. Our project is ready. Need to words. Create users table. How do create user? This is the SQL detail. It is you put the users table over here. We need a query to do that. So what do we do? We go back to the code and create the database here. So let's go back here and create a folder and call it database so that we can store SQL files inside database. So inside that, let's go the first one, which you're going to users. We have users dot SQL. Yeah. So what next? I have my code. You can ask listen Copilot to generate for you, but because of time, I have the code already here. Let's see creatable users. So that is that. You can see it with the policies added to it. So what do I do? Save it, and I go to the SQL editor where we create the table. So it's done. So what I need to do now is what? Run. So we have success. So let's go check it out. You can see our table. Users table is ready. Let's see. You can see the ID, the email address, and on and on and on and on. So that is that. So what do we do next? Next. We need data. No, let's link the API keys for the Supabase. Okay. So let's check that. Then I come to where data API. Yeah. Then I copy the URL. Good. I'll go to the .env file, then paste the URL there. Okay. What next? Unknown key. All right, let's go to API case. Here we have the unknown key there. Copy. Then we paste. Good. What next? Is the service rule key. Also over there, the same place here. Copy. And we paste it there. Good. What next? Save. So good. So now let's tell this guy, what's the name? The API to give us to uncomment the what's the name? The Supabase portion of the code. So back to, so we say what? Uncomment the Supabase. Yeah, I think that would do. Uncomment the Supabase, yeah. So it's done. Let's apply it. Good. Let's save it. Good. So next is what? Give it a try. Give it a try. So let's go to the dashboard again and create another user. Okay. Let's call it pp ap.gmail.com. Password, just anything. Then what? Ignore password policies. Okay, that's all. Good. pp is created. So let's go to Supabase and see if we'll see pp over there. The table. Then we come to users. Good. Great, guys. We got data. You can see pp has been created. So you can see pp@gmail.com. So that is that, guys. We got data. So now next thing is to what? Fetch this data into the what? Into our app. Where's the app? Here's our app. Okay. You have the dashboard. We have the home. There's the home. Oh my god, nothing there. You have the, I didn't do for home. Okay. No problem. Let me see. Home. Yeah, home. Okay, there's nothing there. Okay. This is the home. Let's look at dashboard. There's the dashboard. Come to dashboard. This is the what? The admin. Welcome to admin page. Okay. So first, before we do anything, let's get a sample data. Okay. I like putting sample data before I put the real thing so that I can do the editing first before I do this thing. So to do that, I have how to call it. I have the code, sample data code here, and let me see if I can get it into its admin page. Yeah. So over here, let me just paste it there. Good. Save. let's see. Did it work? No. Yeah, it did. So that is right, guys. This is the sample data I'm talking about. I have a sample data here. Just ID, name, email, role. Okay. So what we're gonna do now is what? Create an API to fetch from the store. Yeah. Then after that, we use it here. Yes, exactly. That's it. Fetch from the store. How to do that? Let's go to button area. API. Yeah, you need an API. So go to API again. Here's the API. Go. Let's create a folder and call it what? Admin. So inside admin, we need another folder called what? Users. Okay. Inside the users, you can now call route.ts. Go. That is that. So now we can ask Copilot to help us. Copilot, we say what? Create what? An API to fetch what? Fetch data from store, from Supabase. Yeah, I'll make it Supabase. Not fetch user data. Let me see here. Fetch user data. Users data. Yeah, users data. Okay. From Supabase. Okay. It's done. Let's apply it. Good. You can see now. Let's keep it. There's showing some error here. Why? Oh, come on. Let me tell Supabase. Let me tell Copilot, sorry. Error in the code. Yeah, done. Let's see. Yeah, it's fixed it. So what next? Let's save it. Now go to what's the name? The admin here. Then we tell Copilot to what? What do you do? To fetch the API over here to update user update the table with the API with the user API. Yeah. Update the table with the users with users what? API, yeah. That's good. Yeah, let's check it. It's done. Let's apply it. So you can see. So cool. Let's keep it. Let me open up. Save it. Yeah, save then. Check it out. Arrow. Import. Okay. Let's just copy the arrow and give it to Supabase. So simple. Good. The arrow is still there. So, oh, come on. I paste it here. Then let's see. See what is missing. Oh, okay. Use client is missing. You can see here we don't have it. So let's update the code add it together. Then I save it and I go back to my page. You can see we got data. We got data is loading. Data, come on. Good, we got data. We got data. You can see user ID and the email is here. So what I can do, we can update the page with, I will say what, if there's no name, just write NE. Then the rule to if it's admin is true, and if admin is true, then it's admin. If it's false, then user. Okay, by default it's false. So if it's true, it should be what? It should be admin. Here, take everything in it. Five, last 5 letters. So let's take by first by one. It's on ID, the last 5 letters. So we say I give me only the last 5 letters. So there's one. This one. This one. So name. If no, and a. If non-name, put what and slash a. That is done. Last one is what? Email done. Rule. Rule. I would say if it's admin is true, then what? Put admin. Otherwise what? User. So the is admin is in there. Hey, when you check the code is there. Let me see if I can just explain what I'm trying to do. We have the database. Good. Over here, we see we have is admin attached to the code. Okay, this one is a boolean. So it's admin. It's now false. So when it's true, give me what? Admin. Otherwise it's user. So that is that. Back to where we were. We're doing something with what? Oh, come on. Webhooks, no. Users, no. Middleware, no. Layout, no. EDV, no. Get admin. So it. Yeah, so we're done. Let's apply. Yeah. I'll keep save and test. You can see that is what I was talking about there. ID, the name, the email, and what user. So that's anything else? Good. So what do we do next? Next, let's talk about you will need to use the login and register to log in. Yeah. So how do we do that? Let's go to the app and create a folder for sign in and sign out. So in the app, let's create folder called sign in, sign what? Hey. Well, inside the sign in, we have page dot TSS. So I put a code here. So this is the code for signing in. You can see import signing. That's it. Simple. I save it. Then I do same for sign out. Go back to app. Then we say what? Sign up. Sign up. Good. Inside I have to create page.ts. TSS, sorry. Page.tss. Good. Yeah. So that is that to save. Good. So save blood. What do we do next? Let's check it out. Root register is not working. This is login. Login is not working. Register. No. Okay. We need to update our number to link the page. So let's look for number and update it. Okay, number is Control P. Now yep, over here it's not login. It should be what? Sign in. Then register will be what? Sign up. Good. So let's check it out again. So login, nothing shows. Register, nothing shows. No, it should not be registered. This should be. I just changed it to not sign in and sign out. But section register. I don't know why. You see that they send how they call it. URL. I did it. Sign in and sign out. So I don't know why. Something on somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, good. It has finally loaded. So we can see the sign in. Let's see the register too. You can see the sign up. So what do we do? Yeah, we try it out. Okay, let's try it out with this email generator. Okay, let's generate a new email and copy. Then we go to our app and paste it there. Give it a password. Then continue. Alright, so it sent me the code. I go back to the generator. I refresh it. Yeah, sees the code. So let me copy the code. Then paste it here. Oh, sorry. 452581. 452581. 452581. Good. Can see, guys, it's working. So it has given me the dashboard. So let's check the admin page. If we get user, we can see we got user. I see the user already. We got user. But I want to change the loading. I don't like the loading when I do it. I don't like this loading. I like skeleton. So let's go to our what's the name? Code here. Skeleton is nowhere. Admin. Yeah. So this, I'll say use skeleton for loading. Use skeleton for loading. Yeah, read there. Okay, let's apply it. Good. Save. Done. Check it out. So when I refresh the page, you see, so cool. So that is that, guys. I think what is left now is what's upload to the GitHub page and send you their link so that you can have all the codes that I used for this simple application. So to do that, so let's check the git status. Okay, so what I can do, I can create another terminal, then I check the git status with what gh auth status. Yeah, that's my good microprocessors. Stop them together. Let's go to top it up. Good. We are in GitHub. But let's create a new one. Let's call it what's the name? Admin the bread. So over here, admin, we don't need description, we don't need anything. Let's create. Okay, done. Great. No, not checking. I mean, put it there. So git init. Okay. When you stored existing git. Okay, it's there. I did it already. Okay, so that is all. Let's continue. Now git add. The git add. I don't need all you read me. I need everything. So I add dot. So git add dot, then add it. Then we go back. What is saying? The first commit, copy that too. Then we paste it. Good. Next, let's check again. Branch main. We do that. Good. Then what again? Let's copy the add emote URL. So paste that too. It's been added. Okay, next one. Push. Copy that too. Paste it there. Yeah, pushing is done. So whatever we check it if it has is there. So let's check it if we got everything our admin notice portray here. So let's check it out. Go to, let's see. Yeah, we have it here, admin. Good. You can see, guys, everything is ready. So that is that, guys. Thank you very much for sticking through. Please don't forget to do good. Catch you in the next one. We say peace out.